Whether you're re-updating your living room or you bought a new house and you want to style it, curtain plays an essential role in your home decor. Curtains are used to block sunlight, maintain privacy and add style and radiance to your home. For few people, selecting curtain can be a daunting task because there are endless options available in the market, while for few it can be fun and exciting. So today I'm here to share a few basic guidelines on how to choose right fabric for your window.
Need new curtains for your home but can't decide which fabric to buy? Which fabric colors will blend in well with your home decor? And should your fabrics be plain, pattern or texture? These are the few common questions we have in mind when we go for curtain selection. So today I'm here to make this process simple for you. Just follow these 3 simple steps and you will be pro in selecting right fabrics for your window.
Polyester curtain. These are the most common type of fabrics used in home decor. They are affordable, easy to maintain and durable. Velvet curtains provide rich and lush look to your home interior. These are thick and dense fabric which are ideal if you don't want any light coming through your window. It's a heavyweight material, so try to avoid using it if you have a small space. Linen is a stable, strong and durable fabric. This fabric gives a sophisticated feel and can make any space look elegant. Sheer curtains are thin, lightweight and airy material. Go for sheer curtains if you want to make your room look bright and light. subscribe to my channel so that I can keep you guys updated about home decor trends and styling ideas.